I am the Ketoing Viking. Welcome. Today we are going to make a Norwegian hootenanny, keto style. First we're going to flop 6 tablespoons worth of butter inside the pan. And then what we're going to do is we're going to heat this up. And we're going to leave it in there while we make the rest of it. We're going to call for help from a ninja. Be careful, their blades are sharp. First and foremost, we need 6 eggs. Okay, now that we have 6 eggs, we are going to add our heavy cream. This is about a cup. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to blend this till it's frothy. Really easy recipe. Okay, now that it's nice and frothy, what we're going to do, yes, nice and frothy. We are going to add the rest of our ingredients. Let's start with 2 tablespoons of protein powder. 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. Some coconut flour. Some almond flour. And specialty from the land of Amazonia, black currant extract powder. This is optional, but it helps you lose weight and get fit like a Viking. And it's very powdery and it sticks. And then also optional, but I love blueberries. You know what? We're going to save this for the last part because I like some whole blueberries. Okay, I'm going to blend this back up. Okay, Ninja, do your job. All right. We have successfully blended our mixture and we removed some of the excess off the sides. Have to incorporate everything. Next, we are going to grab a hot mitt because we don't want to burn ourselves. And remove our butter. Oh yeah, telling you. This is the trickiest part. What we have to do is we have to pour our mixture right in the middle. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, now that we have successfully poured our batter inside of our hot skillet, and we don't have to touch it, we don't have to make any arrangements, it's just poured. We're going to add our blueberries. Again, optional, or you can add raspberries or blackberries or lingonberries or anything you want to add. Okay, our hootenanny should be done. Oh, she looks beautiful. Let's try to lift her. Oh, it's as heavy as a Ulfbjörn. Oh, that looks absolutely beautiful. Let's cut in. Okay, we're going to cut into it. Oh, that looks beautiful. Okay. Oh, we're ripping it all up apart. Absolutely gorgeous, and it stuck to the pan just ever so slightly. That's okay though. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now to taste. Now there's several ways to eat this. You can sprinkle it with a little bit of allulose. I ended up grabbing this. It's like a little sprinkler of stevia. Here. There we go. And sprinkle a little bit, like so. Or you could put some sugar-free syrup on it, however you like it. Or if you want to make a compote, make a compote. Oh boy, it's hot. Oh, hot. Oh, but it is delicious. So there you go. Some hootenanny. Some Norwegian hootenanny. Lykke til. Skål.